So we got a little problem on our grain bin here. It's leaking wheat below on the false floor, and it's a little rusted out. We need to do some work on it, but for the time being, we're just going to put this thin sheet metal on here to cover it up, so we can at least turn the fan on without it blowing out everywhere. Because we turn the fan on, start blowing out. So we're going to try to put some of this on there and see if we can't stop it from leaking. Hopefully we can. Stopped. See if we can get some of this stuff out of here before we put foam on it. Yeah, I think, like I said, it's not perfect, but at least it's stopping the wheat. Got this side done. This side was my first side, so it looks even worse, but hey, I'm not a professional by any means. These bins need some serious work. Okay, I'm gonna crack the foam open, get this foamed, and I'll get back with you guys. All right, we got it somewhat foamed all up. Hopefully that will do the job for now. I know it's not the prettiest, but hey, as long as it keeps it from the wheat blowing out when the fan's on, I'll call it a success. So I'm gonna let that foam set up for a minute and come back and turn the fan on and see what happens.